All right, so for part C, we have the function e to the x plus e to the minus x, and that is represented by 2 cosine hyperbolic x. So now the question is like, do we have the MacLaurin expansion of cosine hyperbolic x in the list? And I don't see that we have anything of that sort in this list. Okay, but we do have the Taylor series expansion of e to the x. So I'm going to try to utilize that because cosine hyperbolic x consists of e to the x and e to the minus x. Okay, so we're going to sort of like utilize that. All right, so I listed down the power series expansion of, or MacLaurin expansion of e to the x. That's the summation x to the n over n factorial. And if you expand this out, it's 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial, and on and on. And the interval of convergence is negative infinity and infinity. So now by using the MacLaurin expansion of e to the x, I'm going to derive the MacLaurin expansion of e to the minus x with the same logic that we had in part A and part B. So first of all, I'm going to replace x by negative x in the description of the MacLaurin series of e to the x. So this x is going to be minus x to the power of n divided by n factorial. So that way we have the MacLaurin expansion of e to the minus x written as 1 minus x plus x squared over 2 factorial, because we have now alternation coming into play. And the next term is minus, okay, minus x cubed over 3 factorial, and on and on. So the odd-powered terms still come with plus sign, but the odd-powered terms are coming with minus sign now, but not the even-powered terms. They're all positive. So going back to the definition of the given function, which is 2 cosine hyperbolic x, that's the summation of e to the x plus e to the minus x. So why don't we go back and try to add these both up, because e to the x plus e to the minus x is, in fact, 2 cosine hyperbolic x, and this is the function provided to us. So this is our f. And all I'm going to do here is just term by term summation. Okay. So I have 1 and 1 that adds up to 2. I have x and minus x, they cancel out. I have x squared over 2 factorial and x squared over 2 factorial added. So what that means is I have 2 times x squared over 2 factorial. Okay, I have x cubed over 3 factorial added to negative x cubed over 3 factorial. That adds up to 0 as well. Okay, good. Plus, I have x to the 4th divided by 4 factorial, and another one of that. So it's going to be 2 times x to the 4th divided by 4 factorial, and on and on and on. Okay, all the odd-numbered powered terms are gone. So now we have the MacLaurin expansion of 2 cosine hyperbolic x written in terms of the summation of e to the x plus e to the x and e to the minus x and their power series. Okay. All right. So I think that ends part C, and therefore the video ends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.